Installation guide for the Universal Hardware UH4009 and UH4010 ADA compliant size 1 residential closer. It is designed for right and left-handed interior doors up to 30 inches wide, and it must be installed on the push side of the door. To determine if the door is a right or left-hand door, while facing the push side of the door, if the hinges are on the left, it is a left-hand door. If the hinges are on the right, it is a right-hand door. Here are the tools required for installation. The closer comes with everything else you will need. Choose which bracket you will use. P bracket is for mounting on the bottom of the door jamb, while the L bracket is for mounting on the front of the door jamb. Place the corresponding template in the proper location on the door and jamb and hold it in place with tape. Using a hammer and punch, mark the screw holes for the back plate and bracket. Then remove the template. Using the chart provided in the instructions, choose the proper drill bit based on door and jamb material to drill the marked holes. Be sure to drill the holes at the specified drill depth to prevent from drilling through the opposite side. Ensuring that the stamp phrase "this side to door" is towards the door, place the back plate on the door and fasten using the proper screws. Place the bracket on the top jamb and fasten securely with the proper screws. Be sure the speed adjusting valve faces the latch side of the door, then mount the door closer on the back plate and fasten using the short machine screws. Attach the arm to the spindle of the closer and fasten securely with washers and machine screw. Then, with the door closed, rotate the arm and attach to the installed bracket and fasten with washer and machine screw. If a faster or slower closing speed is required, use a flat blade screwdriver to turn the speed adjusting valve, clockwise for slower or counterclockwise for faster, until the desired speed is obtained. After the closer speed is adjusted, place the plastic cover on the closer body. The Universal Hardware residential closer has a built-in, non-adjustable hold-open feature. If the door is opened beyond 80 degrees, the door will remain open. Until it is pulled back to less than 80 degrees, then it will close automatically. Your new Universal Hardware residential closer is now ready for use.